Hello, this is a tutorial about setting up an area light source within LightUp. So here we have a very simple box house. So what I'm going to do is set up some area lights which as windows that sort of light up the outside. So first off, we're going to get preferences and ensure that use sun is turned off. Otherwise it's going to just drown out all the area lights we're going to put in. So I've turned it off. I'll create a little window there. I get the paint bucket. And what I'm going to do is to choose a colour here. We'll have a nice pale yellow here and just click on the window to set it to that colour. Now, LightUp identifies area emitters by the name of the material. So you need to name it beginning with an exclamation mark. There we go. That's done. So let's just go right ahead and have a look and see what the result of that is. You click direct lighting and the go button. There we go. So we can see that it's lighting up the lawn out here. It's the spread is pretty wide, so I'm going to take the light source tool and come over to this light source, click on it, and just bring this down to 45 degrees to reduce the spread. You'll notice these grey lines give it an indication of the spread of the light. Okay, now let's update the lighting. That's much better. Okay, so that's just simply setting up a area light. The other thing I've got over here is some geometry. That's a little cylinder. I'm going to turn that into a component just so that it's easier to manipulate and call it spotlight. Now we're going to just bring that across here. We'll just angle that a little bit. There we go. And in a similar sort of way, I'm going to edit this component. I'm going to get the paint bucket. And we'll choose a colour. We'll choose a pretty cool colour here for the end of the spotlight. And again, I need to ensure that I've labelled it with a name that begins with an exclamation mark, so that LightUp can identify it as a emitter surface. So there we are. Let's just update the lighting. Good. So now we have two area emitters lighting our little model. I'm going to narrow the spread of this again. So here we take the light source tool and we just go in here and we're going to just reduce that spread to something a little bit smaller, say 50 degrees, just so that it's a little bit more focused. And again, update the lighting. There we go. So that's just a simple example of setting up area lights within the LightUp plugin for SketchUp.